For this one, we're going to have a look at how stickers work in OneNote for Windows 10. So to do this, we're looking for this little sticker icon, but we've got these words here to help us kind of search for specific stickers. So what I want you to do is next to the word Earth is click in the green cell next to it. Once we've done that, we can then come over and click on stickers. Now your stickers will load up. And then what we can do is I want to search for this one that's called Earth. So I can see this little picture of a planet here. And then there I can see the Earth planet. And so it pops it in there quite nicely. Let's have a go at the second one. Now the well done one, I'm kind of happy for you to choose whatever you like, but you're essentially looking for one of these stick options here that has a pen next to it. So I might choose this one. And then I've already got some that say well done. But let's say, I really like this one here. What I can do is I can get rid of this check your spelling and change it to well done instead. And I might even put my name, and I think you could probably do that as well. Have a go at putting your name in. So we click done, and then that sticker goes in. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to scroll through, see if you can find the B for me, and also see if you can find the shark.